Hello, Ryan. I can't get access to my Series 2 because there's too much snow everywhere. So I'll show you on my Series 1. It'll be almost the same as what you have, but you wanted to see the back of the dash. What we have here is, you probably want to see this wiring for the lights, but the white wire is the ground or the earth, and the red is this red here is for the light switch on the other side of the panel. So this will connect to the ignition. This white will connect to ground somewhere here, or earth. This one, attaches to that light, and then this one's here is for this light. There's the end of it. I don't have that light installed yet. And then all the like choke warning, all those stuff, those are wires coming from your main harness through this hole. So they'll connect to these here. This one has a light that comes on when you turn on these lights, so this will hook up to the other side of this switch. Yeah, not too much else back here. These are your two thicker gauge wires for your ammeter. These are your temperature, or no, not temperature. What is that? Fuel gauge, sorry. Yeah, and all these will be connected to this switch here. So this light is for this gauge. It will be hooked up as well to that switch. Turn signal. This is what you will have. This is the correct lens and a switch looking like this. It's connected to some weird switch in the back. There's like 12 different things you can tie into, but look at your wiring diagram and that will be helpful. Same with the wiring diagram for this stuff. Now for the left and right turn signals in the front, there is this harness. So this is connected on the other side to this switch. And I think there's like 6 leads or 5 leads, something like that, coming off of it. And don't confuse it with your main harness. Your main harness is a separate harness. But what this does is it comes out of here, and then gets wired around behind this. One will go down to your brake light, and the other will run up and come to the front for your turn signals. These wires here branch off kind of in the middle. Hard to show you, but these go to the flasher. So yeah, then these are the ones that come to your front turn signals. You'll basically just connect right here a wire for the left side and a wire for the right side, just from here. So this will go through a hole in your wing here, and this other one, or yeah, this is actually the red one, connects up here, goes through the radiator panel, and then out through your wing through here. And there's another lead of this that goes down. It's the same one that goes down. Oh, maybe this lead is the same one that goes down to your brake pedal switch. It goes to your rear lights as well. So you will need to run. So it's this one. These two connect to these two wires, these go in through the frame and out in the back, and then they wire up to your rear turn signals. This one here, mine is the wrong color, so ignore this. This goes to your brake warning light switch. Yeah, and these, again, I think it's the white one that needs to be swapped with the red. These are the wrong colors. These go to your rear lights. I think that's all you're wondering. Oh yeah, fuse box. Greens go on the right, whites go on the left. The whites is the protected circuit. So your green goes, it's just a wire from your main wiring harness out to inside into your ignition switch. I have an extra white wire because I've got an electric fuel pump. You won't have that with the 2 1/4 liter engine. The heater, what they usually do is there's a separate fuse box and it's mounted right about here. And it's a fuse box, looks exactly the same as that. It's mounted down here and it has a separate feed from behind the dash. You'll have to look up wiring diagrams for all of that, or schematics. And then, yeah, you put a fuse in down there and then run it to your heater, the fan for your heater. All right, I think that's it.